Good morning, everyone. My name is Abhishek from NTTF Murbad. My course name is Tool Engineering and Digital Manufacturing. Today is my short talk. My short talk topic name is Progressive Tool. Here is the content of Progressive Tool. Definition, application, material and its element, progressive plate tool information, advantages and disadvantages. Definition. Progressive tool is a metalworking method where in a server's process such as bending, punching, and several other steps are required to shape the sheet metal. Progressive tool are those in which cutting operation is performed at a number of stations simultaneously. A complete part is cut off, blanked at the final station with each stroke of the press. Application of progressive tool in automobile industry, electronics, house, household applicables, medical devices. Here is the flow chart of the elements and a quantity and its material of the progressive tool. Information of progressive tool. More than one stopping station. Shank is mounted only on top plate only. Auxiliary stopper is used for intermediate stop. Piloting is required for rigidity of strip. Component having internal details can be production. Advantages of progressive tool. Cost effective, fast production, low scrap material, quick tool setup. Disadvantages of progressive tool. Not suitable for deep drawing. It is not ideal for parts requiring deep drawing. Material limitation. While it can work with various metals, steel, aluminum, copper, some material may be not suitable. Thank you.